Hello, friend of Dosis de Cultura. In today's challenge, you'll have to guess the names of 55 fruits and other vegetables, but without vowels. The difficulty will increase, so don't get too confident. Are you ready? Good luck. Let's start with the easy level. First fruit. Apple. Banana. You can't make a mistake here. Orange. Grape. You'll need to think a bit more here. Strawberry. Watermelon. Subtitled by Jane Coyle. This one is very simple. Melon. Finnia. Remember, this level is the easy one. The real challenge will begin soon. Mango. Subtitled by Jane Coyle. Wait. Cherry. Is he doing it fast enough? Limon. Yui. Subtitled by Jane Coyle. Subscribe. Excellent. Keep it up. Mora. Coco. Lima. How many right answers do you have? Eco. Subtitled by Jane Coyle. It's really easy. Papa. Don't rush and pause the video if you need more time. Tomato. Let's raise the difficulty a bit. Cucumber. Pay attention. It's getting harder and harder. Peach. Subtitled by Think a little. Mandarin. Grapefruit. I'm sure you know the answer. Pomegranate. Don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Corn. Guts. Even without vowels, it's not that hard to guess. Carrot. Did you already guess the vegetable? Spinach. Are you enjoying the challenge? Ginger. And lettuce. Pumpkin.
¿Ya apareció tu fruta favorita? Rábano.
Broccoli. Sweet potato. Let's see how you do on the hard level. Do you already know the answer? Blueberry. Raspberry. It's hard. Plum. Cabbage, subtitled Gencoil. Cauliflower. Keep it up, you're doing amazing.
Espárrago.
I told you there would be some tricky ones. Zucchini. Avocado. Yugan. Subtitled Jane Coyle. How are you doing so far? Subtitled Jane Coyle. Bimeton. By Jane Coyle. Let's see how you do on the last level. Apricot. Did you know that one? Subtitled Loquat. Keep guessing. Subtitled Jane Coyle. Artichoke. Subtitled Gencoil. Tamarind. Subtitled Remolacha, subtitled jencoil. Passion fruit, subtitled jencoil. Subtitled guajaba, subtitled by jencoil.
Aceituna.
Bonus question. Write the name of this vegetable in the comments and you might appear in one of our upcoming videos. Congratulations to everyone who answered correctly in the previous video. If you want to keep challenging your mental agility, go check out the video on your screen. See you in the next Doses de Cultura. See you soon.